For the double needle chain, you work 2 parallel needle chains at the same time, alternating your stitches between the two. When you begin, pay close attention to where the working thread lies. Remember, the needle always passes over the working thread. So after one stitch, you may throw the thread so that the needle can pass over it when you finish the pair. To get started, make a figure 8 loop. When working left-handed, I hold the first loop to the left, then make the second loop to the right. Pinch those 2 loops between your non-dominant thumb and index finger. Now go back to the first loop and insert the needle and pass it over the working thread as you would for a single needle chain. Instead of working into that same link though, in this case you're going to move to the right and insert the needle into the link on the right, throw the thread so that the needle passes over the working thread. That completes a pair of side-by-side links in your double chain. Continue by working alternately to the left side and then the right side. Try to finish a pair with the link on the right in case you have to stop partway through a chain, so it's easier to orient and get started when you pick up the chain to finish it.